Well, Chau and Mau went out to play, found a toy factory on the way. Doors went open, ding, 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 magic toys began to sing.
Wet, zippy, toy, toy, jump and spin.
Come inside, let's all begin.
Chau says wow, Mau says yay. Magic toys will dance today.
Little cars go zoom, 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 flying rockets boom, boom, boom.
Teddy bear wave, come with me, dancing toys in harmony.
Blocks go up and build so high, touching almost to the sky. Mau said, let's make a tower tall. Chau said, watch it never fall.
Oi, big toy, toy, clap your hands.
Jabba dancing toys across the lands.
Spin around and tap your feet. Fiddle the rhythm, feel the beat.
Robot came with beep beep sound, turning circles round and round. Chau flapped wings to copy that. Mau laughed loud, look at that.
Bump, 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 bump. Train goes chuk chuk on the track. Forward, forward, never back.
Chau and Mau both jump inside. Happy little train ride.
Jump, jump, toy, toy, going so bright.
Turd magic glowing in the light.
Jump, jump, jump and shout hooray. Best toy party ever day. Oops!
Big Jack in the box pop. Both got scared and quickly stopped.